Welcome to DreamzCMMS. As information technological revolution has transformed the way we approach maintenance management, it is my privilege to introduce to you our state-of-the-art DreamzCMMS software. A groundbreaking solution seamlessly integrated with the power of artificial intelligence and the vast network of IoT sensors. This video is not just a tool, it's a game changer in predictive maintenance, asset management, and achieving operational efficiency. Imagine a system that not only tracks your maintenance needs but also predicts them, learn from each interaction, and constantly improving. This is the future maintenance management solution, and it starts here. Let's embark on this journey together where efficiency meets innovation. Transforming manufacturing excellence, the power of DreamzCMMS with IoT and AI. Manufacturing companies can harness the transformative power of DreamzCMMS with the IoT sensors and artificial intelligence to revolutionize their operations. Predictive maintenance with precision, where a maintenance manager receives an alert on DreamzCMMS dashboard or notification on the DreamzCMMS app about a potential issue with one of the critical machines. The IoT sensor embedded in the machine have detected an abnormal vibration and heat levels. Taking the alert, the maintenance manager schedules maintenance for the weekend to prevent unplanned downtime. In this scenario, the machine breakdowns doesn't happen, and it reduces the breakdown hours by 30% and boosts productivity. DreamzCMMS asset maintenance is used to manage and optimize physical assets. DreamzCMMS has the features of scheduled maintenance, managing work orders, tracking asset performance, predicting equipment failures, and analyzing data, ultimately enhancing reliability, extending asset life, reducing maintenance cost, and boosting operational efficiency. With DreamzCMMS, you can effortlessly add and manage your assets, ensuring optimal operations, increased productivity of your critical production equipment and production lines. With DreamzCMMS mobile app, teams generally experience a 30% better productivity on average, requiring a very little training. On DreamzCMMS platform, you can list down your facilities. You can get a tree view of your assets, where your assets are listed by the facilities. You can create a schedule of the asset to run a preventive maintenance schedule that gives you a number of work orders on the due dates, and technicians are assigned to it. You can also manage work orders, where you can create your own work order, assigning to a technician or to a vendor company. The subcontractors can also get a login to this platform, so they can get notified whenever they have a work order to do, and they can also log the information in a work order. DreamzCMMS asset management features capturing information of the asset from manufacturer, make and model, construction, warranty, and other informations related to the asset in its life cycle. You can associate spare parts and inventory items. You can capture meter readings. You can tag a person or an employee. You can add the warranty information. You can tag your businesses or the vendors. You can attach files. It can be your warranty document, it can be your user manual, it can be your instructions or SOPs, how to handle the machines. You can also capture the financial information. You can tag and see the purchase information. You can see a log where all the information captured for the asset in its life cycle, you can see it here. Starting from work orders, historical data, ongoing maintenance, scheduled maintenance, previously completed works, any breakdown reported, spare parts replacement, and more. With all this information, you get a holistic view of your asset and know the event that has happened in its life cycle. So you are managing an end-to-end asset life cycle with DreamzCMMS. With DreamzCMMS, you can streamline reactive maintenance and upgrade to preventive maintenance tasks. Work order management, which is essential to keep equipment running smoothly and efficiently. Work request management plays a critical role in streamlining maintenance operations. You can easily create preventive maintenance programs, attach custom procedures and checklists. You can create maintenance schedules and more. Automate preventive maintenance scheduling and assign tasks to the right person or employee at the right time. You can also track completion rates on preventive maintenance and work orders all in one place in real time, giving you a full control of your assets, their life cycle, asset information, maintenance history, everything at your fingertips. Reducing turnaround time on work request and work orders minimizes your MTTR and MTBF, which are critical KPIs for understanding your production hours. In DreamzCMMS, you can create scheduled maintenance for your equipments, plan it accordingly over weekends for downtime. You can do preventive checks, inspections, attach checklists to it. DreamzCMMS features AI-powered checklist generation. This AI-powered checklist generation allows you to create a checklist. For example, if you need a monthly inspection of your forklift, you can just ask our generative AI to create you a checklist for that. And as you click on that, you will get a checklist for monthly inspection. With this checklist that the generative AI prepared for you, you can customize it as per your requirement and then update. You can also preview and see how this will look like to a technician or when assigned to a work order. Apart from generating your own checklist, you can explore our checklist library where hundreds of checklists are by default prepared, where you can just simply preview it and add for your industry. When work orders are assigned to technicians, they get a notification on the app when the new work order comes in. They can explore the work orders, they can accept it and then start working on it. When they start, before starting the work, they can see the work instruction, a due date, and the activities they have to do. Under the activities, you can attach a checklist where the technician will capture all these informations, fill in the details, capture images, provide a signature, and save it. When completing the work order, a technician is required to provide a signature, attach a status notes, attach files, put in a completion code and save it. Putting all this information in work orders is really going to help you understand your maintenance processes. With the DreamzCMMS app, technicians can explore the app asset list, they can create a service request for the asset or create a work order directly. They can also go into further details of that asset where they can see all the information. For example, user manuals, files, spare parts attached, ongoing work orders. DreamzCMMS is connected to many various kind of smart sensors that can be attached to your machines, making it really smart, transmitting the data in real time to DreamzCMMS, where you can set the threshold value based rule engine, and based on the data that is being received from the devices, DreamzCMMS is smart enough to take actions on its own. You can configure rules engine on those sensors. For example, if a temperature goes above or beyond a specified limit, what has to be done? The rule a user can specify to inform management or the management team or the maintenance team. With this rule, you can also create automated work orders and assign to a technician using our intelligent workflow automation. With DreamzCMMS, you can also manage your spare parts inventory, where you can see the items that you have in your inventory, and you can consume these items in your work orders when something is broken. When you replace a spare part from your inventory, this cost is added to the asset and you can see an overall cost analysis of your maintenance. The smart inventory management allows you to track spare parts. IoT connected RFID tags and barcode help monitor inventory levels in real time. When stock levels run low, an AI driven algorithm automatically generates a purchase order and send it to a preferred vendor. Smart inventory management reduces your inventory carrying cost by 20% while ensuring spare parts are always available when needed for critical equipment. DreamzCMMS is also connecting to your machines and fetching your production data, where you can get in your production information on the platform. You can also get your overall efficiency report from your production information and the root causes for your information. The root causes are connected to your work orders where the technician fills in why the breakdown happened, and based on that you also get an overall equipment efficiency report. DreamzCMMS also gives you detailed analytics of your work orders where you can capture your cycle count, your overall cost of maintenance, your average cost of maintenance, and other parameters captured. You can see your maintenance compliance, your work orders aging, your work orders analysis by time and cost. You can also identify which of the equipments are costing you more in terms of maintenance. On your assets maintenance, you get an RAV, which is a replacement asset valuation of all of your assets. This gives you an index of your maintenance versus your total cost of your equipments. Under the useful life, you can analyze how many of your equipments have reached their end of life. DreamzCMMS also provides you analysis of your hourly breakdown report, where you can see breakdown hours. You can get a monthly breakdown. You get a monthly breakdown of your equipments by various departments and various locations. Apart from that, DreamzCMMS gives you hundreds of built-in standard reports where you can see the KPI dashboard to capture and understand your downtime hours, mean time between failures, and mean time to resume operations. With DreamzCMMS AI-powered predictions, AI algorithm analyzes historical data captured in DreamzCMMS with IoT sensors and maintenance history based on different users' input to predict equipment failures. The DreamzCMMS dashboard shows notification and alerts and also on the DreamzCMMS app about an upcoming failure in case of any assembly line machine. DreamzCMMS allows production managers and maintenance managers to schedule preventive maintenance tasks, preventing costly downtime. AI prediction saves manufacturing companies hundreds of thousands in yearly maintenance cost due to predictive maintenance. DreamzCMMS allows maintenance managers, store managers, and technicians to stay in sync with operations, leading to reduced downtime, lesser turnaround time, and increased efficiency. A quick response time to work request, automated work request allocation to technicians, and help technicians save time on finishing their task. During management meetings, executives can access DreamzCMMS generated reports and AI-driven insights. They can make informed decisions about maintenance budgets, resource allocations, and process improvements. Manufacturing companies can achieve up to 12% increase in overall efficiency and effectiveness and more than 10% boost in profitability. Staying ahead of regulatory compliance allows manufacturing companies to demonstrate compliance with industry regulations like OSHA by providing historical data, maintenance records, and reports generated by DreamzCMMS. Manufacturing companies can pass regulatory audits with flying colors and avoiding penalties. In conclusion, Manufacturing companies can greatly benefit by implementing DreamzCMMS that can transform their operations. By embracing these technologies, manufacturing companies get reduced downtime, cut costs, improved efficiency, and achieve regulatory compliances. DreamzCMMS helps prevent downtime, stockouts, and safety incidents with an easy to use maintenance and operations app that can be used across your sites. Keep track of your spare parts to avoid delays and shutdowns, and get the data that you need to drive down cost and keep machines running long. Data to your existing system to keep everyone on the same page, to say goodbye to chaos, say hello to DreamzCMMS, an intelligent and futuristic maintenance app.